Hey everyone, it's Jade Yo, a healthy lifestyle, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or new to the channel, I promise you're in for a treat. We're all about discovering new ways to live healthier, happier lives, and today's topic is no exception. Today we're diving deep into the world of superfoods to uncover the incredible health benefits of a fruit you might not have heard of before: Sacha Inchi. This little-known gem is packed with nutrients and has a fascinating history that dates back centuries. This powerhouse ingredient, often dubbed the Inca peanut, has been a staple in South American diets for centuries, and for good reason. The indigenous people of the Amazon have long recognized its value, incorporating it into their daily meals and traditional medicine practices. It's amazing how something so small can have such a big impact on health and wellness. If you're looking to boost your health, hit that subscribe button and join me as we explore the 7 amazing benefits of Sacha Inchi fruit. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this journey. Plus, subscribing means you'll never miss out on any of my future videos where we explore more superfoods, health tips, and wellness secrets. From its impressive omega-3 content, which is essential for brain health and reducing inflammation, to its ability to support weight loss by keeping you feeling full and satisfied, Sacha Inchi is truly a versatile addition to your diet. This is one superfood you won't want to miss out on. Imagine adding a handful of these seeds to your morning smoothie or sprinkling them on your salad for an extra crunch. Not only are they delicious, but they're also doing wonders for your body. Stay tuned, because we're about to unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. We'll delve into how Sacha Inchi can improve your skin, boost your energy levels, and even enhance your mood. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. You're gonna love what we have in store. Sacha Inchi is like the superstar of the plant world, especially when it comes to omega-3 fatty acids. This little-known gem is packed with nutrients that can significantly benefit our health. When it comes to omega-3 fatty acids, Sacha Inchi stands out. These seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a rich source of these essential fats. You know, omega-3s are essential for our bodies, right? They're like the VIPs our cells need for a bunch of crucial functions. From maintaining cell membranes to supporting mental health, omega-3s play a vital role. One of the biggest things omega-3s do is keep our hearts healthy. They help reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in heart disease. They help lower bad cholesterol, which is a major win for preventing heart disease. By reducing LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol, omega-3s contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. And it's not just about the heart. Omega-3s are also crucial for our brains. They are integral to brain health, influencing everything from mood to cognitive function. They help improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Studies have shown that a diet rich in omega-3s can enhance brain performance and even slow down age-related cognitive decline. Think of it this way: omega-3s are like brain food that keeps everything running smoothly. They support the structure of brain cells and facilitate communication between neurons. Now here's the thing. Our bodies can't produce omega-3s on their own. This means we need to obtain them through our diet. We need to get them from our diet. Foods like fish, flax seeds, and walnuts are well-known sources, but Sacha Inchi is a fantastic plant-based option. That's where Sacha Inchi comes in. These seeds are not only rich in omega-3s but also contain other beneficial nutrients like protein, fiber, and antioxidants. It's packed with these healthy fats, making it an excellent source of omega-3s. You can easily incorporate Sacha Inchi seeds into your meals by adding them to salads, smoothies, or even baked goods. So, if you're looking to boost your heart and brain health, adding Sacha Inchi to your diet is a no-brainer. Not only will you be supporting your cardiovascular and cognitive functions, but you'll also be enjoying a delicious and versatile food. Sacha Inchi is cultivated in the Amazon rainforest, where it has been used for centuries by indigenous people for its health benefits. This ancient superfood is now gaining popularity worldwide for its impressive nutritional profile. In addition to the seeds, Sacha Inchi oil is another excellent way to get your omega-3s. The oil can be used in salad dressings, drizzled over vegetables, or even taken as a supplement. Incorporating Sacha Inchi into your diet is a simple and effective way to ensure you're getting enough omega-3s. Whether you choose the seeds or the oil, you'll be making a positive impact on your health. The benefits of omega-3s are vast, from reducing inflammation and supporting heart health to enhancing brain function and improving mood. By including Sacha Inchi in your diet, you're giving your body the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. So why not give Sacha Inchi a try? Share it with your friends and family and explore new recipes that incorporate this amazing superfood. Your heart, brain, and taste buds will thank you. And remember, by choosing Sacha Inchi, you're also supporting sustainable agriculture and the livelihoods of farmers in the Amazon. It's a win-win for your health and the planet. So next time you're looking for a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet, reach for Sacha Inchi. It's a small seed with big benefits, and it's ready to become a staple in your healthy lifestyle. Embrace the power of omega-3s with Sacha Inchi and enjoy the journey to better health and well-being. Your body will thank you for it. Let's talk about protein, the building block of our bodies. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a critical role in almost every function of our body. From the moment we are born, protein is involved in the growth and development of our muscles, tissues, and organs. It's not just about muscles. Protein is vital for our overall health and well-being. Every cell in our body needs protein to function properly. Proteins are made up of amino acids, which are often referred to as the building blocks of life. These amino acids are crucial for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. Without adequate protein, our cells wouldn't be able to repair themselves, and our bodies wouldn't be able to produce the enzymes and hormones necessary for various bodily functions. It's essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and so much more. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions in the body, while hormones are chemical messengers that regulate various physiological processes. Protein also plays a key role in maintaining a healthy immune system, as it helps produce antibodies that fight off infections and diseases. Sacha Inchi is a fantastic plant-based protein source, which is excellent news for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to increase their protein intake. Originating from the Amazon rainforest, Sacha Inchi seeds are not only rich in protein, but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. This makes them a superfood that can contribute to a balanced and nutritious diet. Just a small serving of Sacha Inchi packs a surprising amount of protein, helping you meet your daily requirements. For instance, a single ounce of Sacha Inchi seeds can provide up to 8 grams of protein. This makes it an excellent addition to smoothies, salads, and various dishes, ensuring you get a protein boost without having to consume large quantities. This is especially important for active individuals, as protein is crucial for muscle growth and recovery after exercise. When you work out, your muscles undergo stress and tiny tears. Protein helps repair these tears, leading to muscle growth and increased strength. Consuming Sacha Inchi seeds post-workout can aid in faster recovery and reduce muscle soreness, allowing you to get back to your fitness routine more quickly. Whether you're hitting the gym or just trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle, Sacha Inchi can help fuel your body with the protein it needs. Incorporating Sacha Inchi seeds into your diet can support your fitness goals, enhance your overall health, and provide a sustainable and eco-friendly protein source. So next time you're looking for a nutritious snack or a protein-packed ingredient, consider reaching for Sacha Inchi seeds. Your body will thank you. Now let's talk about antioxidants, the superheroes of the nutrition world. Antioxidants are compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Think of free radicals as these unstable molecules that can wreak havoc in our bodies, leading to inflammation and various health problems. Antioxidants neutralize these troublemakers, preventing them from causing harm. Sacha Inchi is loaded with antioxidants, including vitamin E and other powerful compounds that help fight oxidative stress. By incorporating Sacha Inchi into your diet, you're giving your body an extra layer of protection against free radical damage. For those of you on a weight loss journey, listen up. Sacha Inchi might just become your new best friend. This incredible fruit can help support your weight loss goals in several ways. First, it's relatively low in calories but high in fiber and protein, which are known to promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite. This means you'll feel satisfied for longer, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. Second, the healthy fats in Sacha Inchi, particularly the omega-3s, have been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. So, not only does Sacha Inchi help you feel fuller for longer, but it also gives your metabolism a little nudge in the right direction. Let's talk about gut health, something that's super important for our overall well-being. Sacha Inchi is an excellent source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which are essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to our stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. It also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in our gut. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. By promoting a healthy gut microbiome, Sacha Inchi contributes to better digestion and overall gut health. Who doesn't love healthy, glowing skin? Sacha Inchi can help you achieve just that. This incredible fruit is packed with nutrients that are beneficial for our skin. The omega-3 fatty acids in Sacha Inchi help keep our skin hydrated from the inside out. They also possess anti-inflammatory properties which can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. Additionally, the antioxidants in Sacha Inchi protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. By incorporating Sacha Inchi into your diet, you're giving your skin the nutrients it needs to stay healthy, hydrated, and radiant. Last but not least, let's talk about how Sacha Inchi can give our immune systems a much-needed boost. This superfood is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that play a vital role in supporting our immune function. The omega-3 fatty acids in Sacha Inchi have been shown to reduce inflammation, which is crucial for a healthy immune response. Additionally, the antioxidants in Sacha Inchi help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can weaken our immune system. By incorporating Sacha Inchi into your diet, you're providing your body with the tools it needs to fight off infections and stay healthy. That's it for today's video on the 7 amazing health benefits of Sacha Inchi fruit. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future health and wellness content. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried Sacha Inchi before and what your experience has been. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.